Hello everyone, so here are the 25 profitable pieces of marketing advice which I've learned over a decade of experience. Number one, phrase the most enticing word in marketing, use it more often. Second one, believe in what you're selling or no one else will, right? So if you don't believe what you're selling, then it's of no use, right? Third one, saturation doesn't exist. Like if your product is newer, faster, better, or cheaper. Fourth one, before learning tricks and hacks, learn the basics and fundamentals. Always remember this. Fifth one, give, and then ask. So be a giver first. Sixth, a small starving market is more profitable than a huge overfed one. Right? Seventh, the best marketing doesn't feel like a marketing. Okay. Eighth one, people have short attention spans, right? So be interesting, unique, educational, or funny to combat this, right? Ninth, don't sell products, sell the outcomes or the benefits. 10th, not everyone is your customer. 11th, meet demand, don't try to create it, it will take more time. Cool. 12th, no one cares about your product, they care about how your product can help them or solve their problem, right? 13th, sell with emotion and justify with logic. So if you sell with emotions and justify with a proper logic, it will be easy for you to sell. 14th, it's not the best product that wins, but the one with the best marketing that wins. 15th, what works today may not work tomorrow, right? So keep always testing and implementing, trying new things. 16th, don't hate your competitors, study them and spy them. Right. 17, deep market research is the cornerstone of every successful marketing campaign. 18th, stories are your most powerful tool as a marketer, use them often. 19th, taking inspirations from others is completely fine, right? Completely fine, as long as it's not verbatim. Put your own unique spin onto it and you will enjoy it more. 28th, in order to become a great marketer, you must be obsessed with understanding people. If you don't understand people, you will not understand their problems and it will be unable for you to solve their problems. Marketing is all about attention. Learn to capture it, keep it, and transform it into action, right? That was the 21st one. Getting new clients is important. Keeping existing client is as much as more important, right? That is crucial. 23rd, people aren't as smart as you think, so dumb it down. Let it be dumb and your content be more the dumbest. 24th, base your decisions on data, not solely on assumptions. Last but not the least, most people don't buy on the first contact. So be persistent, keep follow up, and then convert them. Hope this was great and helpful for you all. And if so, please comment below your best one. And don't forget to support me by subscribing or following me. See you in the next video.